This is Chestermere Lake. We're on the road, which is now part of the lake.
Look at the window.
Look at all the watershed.
We're driving through Chestermere. We are now driving through Chestermere Lake.
Who farted? Danica, did you do poopsies? Oh, the water.
Look at this guy's house. That's the big.
Oh, that is so
I missed it. I should have got that one on video.
I think that is that Brady's house? No. The one way back there with the bubble on top of the house?
Whoa, what's this all about?
Debris. Should we go right up here?
No, go to the school.
Oh.
We can go around and come back down this way.
That would be a really nice lot, actually. Like,
That's huge. Yeah. Let's buy it.
yeah, man, fine.
Maybe I won the lottery last night.
I'm like finally done. Well, I'm actually not finally done. That is so it's like freaking out. Stop gunning it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, the biggest stuff. You just
You got my truck wet.
no. You were wash the car. Oh, I thought you
Oh,
just
let's-
washed the car a couple days ago.
Oh, the suit. Oh my god.
That guy's got his truck parked up on that. It's a river coming down. River coming down the street.
Oh, like, oh my god, you're gonna die. So much for like,
Let's see it going right into this poor guy's house.
Oh my god.
Might be living in the big motorhome for a while.
Holy Jesus.
River down the street.
he's driving on the wrong side of the road.
I don't think
It
either.
doesn't matter at this point. I think the cops are probably pretty busy right now.
This like never happened. Oh, look at that guy. There's pretty good. Freaking minivan.
This is a good idea with the baby and the kids in the
Never
truck.
happened. It's not funny.
What?
Well,
We're okay, aren't we?
I'm confident
What's
that
the
we're
worst
okay.
that's gonna
Yeah.
happen?
If something happens,
Anything should go into someone's house.
if something happens, then we'll be like, what is that idiot doing?
Hey, that's my grandma. Well, that'd be nice to have.